Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. I know I've been MIA for what, 4 weeks, I think? 4 weeks. That's a long time, or 3 weeks. Oh my god, Lily. One of them too. But on today's look, you guys, I am bringing you this fun summer makeup look. Colorful, fresh, everything, especially under $10, girl. Everything is drugstore products under $10. I love this product. Some of them are my go-to products. So I love this video. Please, if you haven't yet, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up so I can keep coming up here and bringing you guys more, because that's what motivates me. Every time I see your guys' likes, your comments, it's what motivates me to keep uploading more. So make sure you guys do that for me. And let's jump right into this look. I did my brows off camera, but I used the Be Bella brow pomade, and I believe it's like $7.99, so it's like $8, but mine was dry, so all I did was apply some facial oil and mess with it, and they look good. And I'm actually in color light brown, even though this doesn't look light brown. I mean, a little bit, not that much, but those are my brows. So let's start with the face. I'm really excited for this look because I have like a picture in mind of what I want to create for you guys. I asked you on Instagram if you guys wanted a colorful or neutral, and it was like half and half. It's always half and half. So that's how my brain is always. I'm like, should I do a colorful look or neutral? But so I'm gonna start with the face, you guys. I don't have anything just but lip gloss, and I'm gonna be using the primer Focus by Wet n Wild. Girl, this thing gets really good. It's really hydrating. It does really work. So, and I like the fact that it has like some type of iridescent shine to it. I don't think you guys can see it. I'm using a different lighting, but right there you guys can see it probably. So it does have like an iridescent sheen, and I feel like that is to help with the pores, to not minimize them, but you know, make them appear, look smaller. Added that primer. I'm gonna be also adding this Hard Candy Perfecting Primer. I love this primer because it does really help with minimizing the appearance of lines and pores. So I'm gonna apply just a little bit. Let me know what do you guys think of this lighting. I'm just using my mirror and then my light from Newer in my front window. It's not big, it's little. And make sure you pat this. So now moving on, I'm gonna begin with my eyes, and I'll just finish off with my face. I'm going to be using this Hard Candy Smoked Out palette. It is infused with hemp oil, but it's TH and CBD free. I really like this palette because it has neutrals, as you guys can see, and it has some glitters, which chunk, and then some shimmers on there. And the brushes are really good, so do not throw them away. Normally I throw this one away, but this one is really good. I used this one today for my brows because it's really sharp. Let me show you guys. I have like two. Here it is. Look at how sharp it is. It is sharp. So this one works really good for your eyeliner and for your brows. So I'm going to start by applying some concealer all over the lid, and then using a setting powder of your choice, I'm going to set the lid. I'm grabbing the shade and just applying it. I'm just going to apply this all over the crease just to give it some color. It is not as pigmented, but you can see it. It's a little brown nude color with some orange hint to it. Now I'm going to wet my brush and use this gorgeous green color, which is so beautiful, and apply that on the middle of the lid. And this is the one that's going to bring the attention into the eye look, so you'll see. And then I'm gonna add back that first color that I started with, just to blend everything. And I'm using that brush that it came with. Now I'm going to do my eyeliner, you guys, and I'm gonna do it really thin, as you guys can see. But this Almay All Day Intense gel liners glide like butter, so they're really creamy too and pigmented. So just a little bit, and I'm also going to add it at my top waterline. which I hate doing. I am creating a small wing with the brush that it came with. So moving on to mascara, I'm going to be using the Revlon Still Fierce mascara. This mascara, it's really good. I love the way that it makes my lashes. It just grabs every single lash and it makes them look long. So I'm gonna... Alright, so now moving to foundation, you guys. This is my Holy Grail foundation. It's like around $7, $8. It is by Wet n Wild, the Photo Focus foundation, and I am using the Amber Beige. I think I did get a little bit of tan, but this foundation is so good. I freaking love it. There's nothing bad about it. I love it, love it. So I'm gonna apply some in the back of my hand. And then for the brush, I'm going to be using this Real Technique 241 brush. I want to know what's your go-to drugstore foundation. Let me know so I can test it out, because I am almost out of this one. Moving on to concealer, I'm going to be using this Fit Me concealer in number 22. I am going to set everything with my favorite loose powder by Airspun. You guys, this one I get it in translucent. I love this thing. And I do see a similarity with my Laura Mercier. I feel like they're similar, but the color is different because I have the Laura in Honey. So I'm just gonna grab some with a small brush, and this brush is my go-to by Royal Elenico. It's a highlight and glow brush. Just gonna apply it under my eyes where it's more shiny right here, and I pat it. As you guys can see, the shine is going away. I'm gonna leave it right there and just finish the bottom of my lids, you guys. And for that, I'm going to be adding that gorgeous green on the middle of my bottom lid just to make them stand out. So you guys are gonna see. I'm gonna use this brush that everyone had when they were little. So I'm gonna use that brush, see if it works. Right now I'm just going to add my mascara at the bottom of my lashes. I believe I trained my face not to make that. Not to open my mouth when I do my lashes. I'm going to just remove what I have, but as you guys see, my face, I'm going to try to put it before and after, how it's not so shimmery no more. I'm going to be applying some bronzer, and I'm going to be using by Rimmel London. You guys, I freaking love it. It is so good, and the color that I'm using is in Toffee, but I'm always gravitating to this. I freaking love it. For my lips, I'm going to be doing a nude, and I'm going to be using the Revlon Color Stay Satin Ink in, what color is this? Your Go-To? Yes, Your Go-To. It is so pretty. I love the packaging. And for my lip liner, you guys, look at how small. I am sorry if they don't sell it anymore, but it's by Milani in color, what is this? In nude. It is so little, but I freaking love it. So now I'm going to apply some lashes, and this ones are by Kiss. They are really affordable. You guys can find them at the dollar store, at Family Dollar Store, so they are so good. Look at the difference. Look at the difference that it makes. They're so freaking pretty. They're so pretty. They are in Belle. Okay. I'm going to be using the Rimmel London Stay Matte Fix and Go. It's a 2-in-1 primer. I usually don't go for anything that's 2-in-1, but this one is shine control, and it locks in makeup, and it dries quick, and it's oil free. So be careful, because sometimes the more cheaper ones spray on you, like actually spit on you. So this one's not that bad. So I feel like I don't look as contour as I usually do. So I'm going to be applying this Wet n Wild contouring palette in Caramel Toffee, because the color, it is a little bit darker. So I'm just going to apply just a little bit. So here is the final look, you guys. I hope you guys love it. I think it came out really good, just like I wanted. Something fresh, fun, summery, colorful, and neutral at the same time. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. I know I've been absent, but I'm going to try my best to keep uploading for you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will leave all the information down below, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.